Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of adding a new vehicle to the system. It is crucial to know how to add vehicles for your garage management to allow for accurate information and organized efficient workflow. Let's see how together. From all apps, head to the garage management. This will take you to the vehicles page, where you can find all the vehicles available in your system. To add a new one, click on Add. Now you can see the vehicle creation page. Start filling it out. Begin by adding a customer. Then enter the number plate of the customer's vehicle. Follow that step by selecting a vehicle model. Then the manufacturing year. Okay, we are halfway through. The next step is to add the VIN number. Double check to ensure you added it correctly. Afterwards, specify the vehicle color. Then confirm the fuel type. Now the next step is to select the transmission of the vehicle. After that is done, enter the engine number. Then simply add the chassis number. We are almost there. The next step is to enter the current mileage of the vehicle. Follow it up by choosing the insurance expiry date. The last step is to add any notes. Once everything is complete, double check all the information and then press Create. As you can see, you have successfully added the customer's vehicle information. There you go. That is how you add a vehicle in Invent ERP. Thank you for watching.